What is everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code 1068 that happens on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So the error code can also be called the dependency service or group failed to start. So the easiest way to fix it is you can do one of two things. The first thing is to go to your search bar and type in run, and in here write msconfig. So basically open up this specific section here. First, you want to change your startup selection to normal startup. Basically press apply and then press OK instead of the selective startup. A lot of times this fixes the issue. The next thing to do is go to your search bar and type in cmd. Basically open up the command prompt by running it as administrator. In here you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. You're going to successfully basically flush the DNS resolver cache. Once you do this, restart your computer, try to utilize it for whatever you were for it, and basically this error will go away and you will not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, then channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.